I can show you a vehicle that you can create yourself that could help the community of companies that you want to create. It's called Rec A Plus. That gives you the framework for annually up to $75 million. Then you can onboard for about less than $8,000 each company that you want to fundraise in the crowd space money from. You give a new class of shares for each company, but it's only one vehicle. It was created by the SEC for the purpose of real estate development, and you could raise a total of up to $75 million. But this vehicle, my contact is a lawyer that is going in and out of the SEC. He has developed that Rec A Plus into a vehicle for startup companies, only under one framework.